In today's video, I'm going to show you Xiaomi Truclean W20 Wet Dry Vacuum Review. The Xiaomi Truclean W20 combines vacuuming and mopping in a single cordless stick unit with up to 15,000 pascals suction, powered by a brushless motor, plus a 500 revolutions per minute rotating mop roller that sprays water and scrubs as it moves, tackling dry dust and wet messes at the same time. It's designed to be ergonomic and self-propelled, so you can push it with one hand without heavy effort, and it uses densely packed scraper teeth on the brush to help reduce hair entanglement, a big convenience for homes with pets. A one-tap self-cleaning function washes and spins the roller brush bar automatically, which reduces manual maintenance. In everyday use, the dual water tanks, a 780 ml clean tank, and a 550 ml dirty water tank let you clean relatively large spaces without frequent refills or emptying, and the 2500 mAh battery delivers up to about 30 minutes of runtime on a single charge. That's enough for most living rooms, hallways, and kitchen floors, and the design makes it easy to reach edges and corners that many robot cleaners miss. It also operates at 78 decibels or lower, so while it's not silent, it's reasonably quiet for its suction power. Real-world impressions and independent user reports reflect a mostly positive experience for general floor cleaning and wet or dry jobs, with the unit often praised for handling everyday crumbs, spilled liquids, and dust well when compared with many basic stick vacuums. However, deeper science-style tests suggest it won't magically remove very stubborn, set-in stains without some manual effort or repeated passes, so expectations should be grounded in what typical stick cleaners are capable of. Verdict: the Xiaomi Truclean W20 is a strong all-in-one wet or dry cleaning solution at its price point. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.